Okay, today in math, we are going to practice what's called skip counting. We're going to skip count by 2s, 5s, and 10s, and then we're going to complete a number sequence. So let's get started. So in your mailbag, I copied you a little mini version of the 100 chart. Normally we have it in our math folder, but since you're home, I figured I'd just make you a copy. You're going to really need to use this when you're working on your paper today, especially. So get out that 100 chart, and I thought it would be good we don't have our cubes either, but maybe you can use small pieces of something as your markers as we're counting. You could use little pieces of cereal or little tiny cracker pieces or little pieces of toys like little Legos. Whatever you think would be good to help cover up the boxes, but not be too big and doesn't cover up more than one box at a time. So if you need to pause the video to do that, you can go ahead and do that and then come on back and push play again. Okay, so let's get started. Now I'm going to use my highlighter pen so that you can still see the number as we're counting on. So first, let's try counting on by tens. That will be the easiest one on their hundreds chart. So when we count by tens, remember those are called decade numbers, and normally decade numbers have the same number in the ones, but what changes is the tens place. So let's start out with just making all the ones be zeros. So we're going to start at 10, and then we're going to just put a piece of whatever you found on each one as we count by. So you're going to count by with me, and we're going to count by tens. All right, ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. Now 100's a 3-digit number, but we can still count it. So what do you notice so far about the pattern of what we covered up? You should notice that it just goes all down in a row. Now let's say we want to count by tens a little different. So I'm going to erase my highlights. You guys reset your mat, take your pieces off, and let's start with a new number. All right, let's try 6. Okay, so we're going to count by tens, but this time we're going to start at the 6. So let's see what happens. 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, and 96. That was counting by tens also. So what did you notice with the ones place and the tens place? You should have noticed that they all have 6 in the ones place. And then if you notice the tens place, it's counting up by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So when you're counting by tens, the ones place always stays the same, and then the tens place changes. We actually learned about this when we were doing 10 more and 10 less. We noticed that pattern. All right, let's move on to counting by 2s. So reset your mat, and let's start with 2, counting by 2s. And we're going to let's go all the way up to 30. So I'm going to put my highlighter on 30 so I remember to end it there. So if you want to put a piece on 30. All right, so if we're counting by 2s, we normally start with, that's right, 2. So let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Did you notice that we skipped one number in between? This reminds me of the lesson with odd and even numbers. So we just covered up the even numbers. So then what's left showing? Yeah, the odd numbers. All right, let's continue, because remember, we're going to go up to 30. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I'm starting to see another pattern coming. All right, let's keep going. 22, 24, 26, 28, and there we ended with 30. So now what other pattern do you see? You should see that as we're counting, we're going down, and we notice that there are 2's in the ones place, 4 in the ones place, 6, 8, and 10, and 0. So it keeps repeating the pattern of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And then you notice how it kind of goes showing, not showing, showing, not showing, showing, not showing. So try to do up to 40 and see if it continues the pattern. All right, so you should have put a piece on 32, 34, 36, and 38. I have a bonus for you. What if we were to do the last row down here? What do you think we would cover up? Did you guess 92? And 94? And 96? And 98? And yes, 100. Good job if you got that bonus one right. All right, so again, the patterns are every other one, and the ones always seems to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, which are even numbers. Now, just like with the 10s, we don't always have to have it even numbers. We could actually count by 2's with the odd numbers too. Now let's go to counting by 5s. Let's reset our mat. Okay, and let's go ahead, and since we're counting by 5s, we'll start with 5. So let's cover up 5. Okay, now counting by 5s, it's the same as counting nickels, because nickels are 5 cents. It's also the same as counting when you're telling analog time, when you're counting each number on the clock. So what do you think is after 5? Well, if you're not sure, what you could do is just count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. All right, let's go all the way up to 50. All right, so after 10, I'm just going to count 5 more to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then what do you think's going to be the next number we cover? Yes, 20. And what's the next number? Are you seeing a pattern? 25, 30, 35, 40. All right, so here you can see that it keeps going. In the ones, it keeps going 5, 0, 5, 0. And then the tens place just goes up 1. So what do you think with this row here, 71 through 80? What 2 numbers do you think we're going to highlight or cover up? You should have said 75 and 80. So counting by 5s, once you get the trick, it's pretty easy to count. So let's go ahead and finish it up. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and you got it, 100. Great job. All right, let's go on to see what's next. Okay, so next we have a number line. And I'm going to show you how to count by 1s, 2s, and 5s on a number line. And it's going to be a little tricky for me because I have to use my pen and it's kind of hard to make curved lines. But I know that you'll be forgiving of that. So when we're counting by 1s, this is what we're used to doing. We're counting on by 1. So if I start at 0, I'm just making a hop to each number. I know my hops, are not very hoppy, are they? All right, so we're counting by 1s going to each number. That's pretty easy. Now counting by 2s, think about the 100 chart and how we skipped every other one. So it will go 0, now you count by 2s while I hop. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, whoops, 18, 20. All right, the hops, did you notice the hops are getting a little bigger? These are really small. These are getting bigger. All right, let's try counting by 5s. Oh boy. Okay, so we're going to start at 0. Where do we go next? Yes, to the 5. 5. And then where do I go? Yep, 10. And then 15. And then what's the last number? 20. Those are much bigger hops compared to the 1s. So as you're counting on larger numbers, your hops are going to be bigger. All right. In the next video, I'm going to give you directions on your paper. So be looking for your math workbook page.